Good afternoon, students. How are you? Hope all of you are well. Our lesson today is the second part of our lesson last week, millions to 7 digits. My objective in this lesson to read and write whole numbers to 7 digits, to identify values of the digit in any place of this, in the ones, in the tens, in the millions, and like that. If I use the place value chart, if you notice, the ones has 3 digits, the thousand has 3 digits, and in the million you are going only to use the ones in the millions. So you have 7 digits. As I said before, we can read the number in 4 ways. I can write the number in standard form. Standard form, this is the standard form. You use the digits and you write the number as it is. 4,935,708. This is the standard form. If you go and write the value of each digit, it will be 4,900,000 and like that, and you put pluses between. We call this form expanded form. The short word name, when you take the digit and write the name of the place where it is in the place value chart. For example, this 4 في المليون, so you will write 4 millions. You don't put pluses. 4 millions. Then you go to the second period. It is 935,000. You write 1,000. And the last period is 708 without the name of the place once. Only you will write 708 and everyone will know that this is the once period. Now, if you use letters, this means word form. Now, let's go and try to solve the questions in page 1. They said, write each number in standard form. They solved for you 2 examples to show you. This is the word form, the short word name. They wrote 5,380,762. This is one way, and here is the expanded form because they write the value of each digit. Now, in this question, they said 3,500,716. They said complete the table, okay? So these are examples how I will solve. They wrote for you the number and they circle the 3, and they want you to say the place of the red digit. Where is the digit 3? In this question, the 3 is in the 100,000. And what is the value of it? You will write 3. This is my number. 7 millions. Now, they circle this 3. This is the ones. These are the thousands. So the 3 is in the 100,000. So I will write here 300,000 اللي هو short word name. Okay. Now, then they ask you what is the value. The value of the 3, you will write the 3 and all the rest digit in front will be zeros. So the value of this digit is 300,000. Now we are going to do the same. Now I need someone to read this number for me. Yes, you are correct. It's 1,982,005. Now where is the 8? The 8 is in the tens. Tens what? Tens thousand. So you will write 8, then you will write 10,000. Now, what is the value of this digit? It is 8, only 4 zeros. It is 80,000. It is 8, 10,000. The value of the 8 in the 10,000 is 80,000. Now they circle the 6. The 6 is in the million. So I will write 6 million. Now, what is the value of this 6? It is 6 with how many zeros? 6 zeros. So This is 6 millions. Okay, now they draw for us the place value chart. Write each number in standard form. Use the place value chart. What did they say? They said 1,02,103. They wrote it for you. This is the standard form for the number using the place value chart. Now write each number in standard form without using the place value chart. Only you are going to write the digit. Look what he said. Notice that empty places are filled in with zeros. If you have empty places in the place value chart, you should put zeros in it. Okay? So if you read it, it will be 7 digits. If you don't put these zeros, you will think that it is 1, 2, 3, 4 digits. Now, my number here is 1 million. I will write 1 million, then comma, 210,000, 210,000, then 477. So I wrote my number and it is 7 digits. 3 millions, 67,000. They didn't say the hundreds. Usually the thousand is 3 digits, 100 to tens ones. They only said 67. I will write 67 now, and I will keep my place by putting 0. It is 67,018. Again, they didn't use the hundred, so it is 18. So empty places are filled with zeros, because if my number is like that, 3 million. Okay, this is my number. Imagine you don't put these zeros, so your number will be like that. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. I have here 7 digits. أنا وصلت عند المليونز. هون 1 2 3 4 5. They are 5 digits. وصلت عند 10,000. This is wrong. You should do this. This is the correct one. Now they wrote it in word form. 6 millions. I will write 6 millions, comma, 258,000. 258,723. 23. They wrote the number in word form and I wrote it in standard form. Okay? Write each number in expanded form, the value of each digit. They did number 1 for us. We are going to do the rest. The 5 in the millions. It is 5 with 6 zeros. Plus the 6 is in the 100. 600 as 1,000. This 6 is in the 100. 100 what? 1,000. It 2. It is in the tens. So it is 20. But 20 what? 1,000. I will skip this 0. I will not write it. Then 7. It is in the hundreds. 700. Then 1 in the tens, and this is 3. So this is the expanded form. Again, I will repeat. It is 4 millions with 6 zeros. I will skip the hundreds and the tens thousand. I will go to the thousand. It is 8,000 and then 800. We call this expanded form. You put 0 between. 1 million. Okay, 100,000. I will skip this 0. The 6 will be where? In the thousand. And 7 in the ones. You skip the zeros. Okay, if I write the number in this way, it is expanded form. Write the short word name for each number. I will go to each period and write the digit with the name of the period. This is 3,250,300 for what? Don't write anything once, only write 304. Now let's come here. It is 6, but where? In the millions. And what about the 8? 800. Now, and 800,000, and what is it? 50. Okay, so it is 6,800,000. Sorry. The name of this is the thousand, and this is 800. So it is 800 what? Thousand. And here it is 8 million. You will write this, all of it, 705 what? Thousand. And it is 9. Now here what? 1 million. And you read this 304 what? Thousand. Okay, there is nothing in the ones. Okay, so as I said before, each number has short word name, expanded form, and standard form, and word form. Word form when you use letters. Standard form if you write it like that. This is a standard form. Expanded form when you write it using the value of each digit. Short word name when you, as we said the last question here, for example, they said for you 3,250,000, the name of the period, 251,000 with 304. This is for the ones. I will send this page for you as an answer key so you can correct your solving in your book. And until we meet next week, bye bye.